Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. Please join our makeup family. I can't believe there's like 60 subscribers, which is insane. And thank you guys really for your support and your views and your comments. It's been a while since I actually created a Get Ready With Me video, and I guess this is finally the timing. I mean, I have a little bit different content for you guys in the future. That's why I've decided that I won't be able to just sit down, do a chit chat with you and just just break down some favorite techniques and products. I guess we're gonna jump right into this video and I hope you're gonna enjoy this. Let's get started. I'm gonna start off with my makeup routine, with my foundation routine, and I moisturize my face, but I haven't primed it yet. So today as a primer, I'll be using More Makeup Academy. By the way, I have a review on this primer, so if you're interested, then please check this out. I'm gonna let this primer to soak into my pores, into my skin for a couple of minutes. I haven't been using my BH liquid foundation for quite a while, and Wet n Wild liquid foundation as well. I love to mix these two foundations together. Wet n Wild has such a great formula, and I'd say that it's a little bit darker than my complexion, so I have to mix it with my BH foundation, and this is super light, like super fair. If you don't really want to make your little hands dirty, grab a foundation brush. This one is from BH Cosmetics, and yay! Now with this Sephora concealer that I'm running out, I want to create a little bit kind of like dimension underneath my eyes, a little bit on the sides of my eyes, forehead as well, and my nose and my chin. That's it with my Sephora concealer. This is, by the way, color Light Ivory. All the colors, all the names are going to be listed down below. Please check out my description box. Then a little bit of this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the same spots. And of course, a little bit of my cream contour. This is from Makeup Revolution, but I've been using LA Girl a lot lately. You can use a beauty blender, by the way, wet beauty blender, or you can grab a foundation brush. I love to do my cream contour with a foundation brush first, and then I'm gonna buff this out with a beauty blender. I want to add a little bit of my liquid highlighter. This is my new technique. First, mix it into my concealer with my finger, and then I grab a beauty blender and I just kind of like keep doing things. I have to set everything in place. I guess Makeup Revolution translucent powder is gonna help me well. For my makeup puff, and I kind of transfer this all over my face. Catrice pencil, and I'm outlining my brow. A little bit of this Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. And what I really like to use is this Maybelline Straws, False Straws, product. I've been using this a lot. I have to bronze my face with this BH Shade and Define 10 color contour palette. I'm gonna grab something really light, so we've just applied some cream contour. This is gonna be the shade From the Corner, and I have no idea, is it gonna be like too much? No, it's not gonna be too much. I guess I kind of like this shade. It's really, it's soft. A little bit of my blush. This is from Mua Makeup Academy. Again, all the products are gonna be in the description box, so you can check them out. Highlighter. I wanna grab my big fluffy brush and just grab a little bit top off. You know, I wanna be like super into some highlight today. And I'm done with my foundation routine, so I'm moving to my favorite eyeshadow palette. I had a review on this eyeshadow palette, so if you're interested, then please check this out. All the links are going to be listed down below. And this is Simple Beauty, the Painter's Palette. First of all, I'm going to start with NYX Pro Eye Primer. Then I'm going to grab Summer Color from Simple Beauty eyeshadow palette and place it all over the lid. So it's going to be a transition and kind of like crease color. Then I'm playing with this really dark kind of like blue or velvet shade that goes right in the outer corner, and then create some sort of like a transition between this dark color to something really light with a little bit kind of like more velvet shade. A lot of blending. This is gonna take me a while, and I realized that I've applied a little bit too much on the side, so I'm using my beauty blender and I'm just kind of like taking off some extra product. My next step is going to be a concealer. So I want to kind of like create like a crease moment, but nothing extra crazy. A little bit like in the inner corner first, and then with a little bit kind of like lighter shade, the lightest one that I've used. I'm just gonna create something really nice, some kind of like transition from really dark blue color to something really light. And final step is this brown color with a little bit of shimmer underneath. And by the way, I used my brush with some leftovers underneath my eyes, so it's gonna be like really nice and cohesive look. On my final step again in this makeup look is a little bit of eyeliner, black eyeliner. In the corner I added some silver. As my final step, I coated my lashes with Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. I don't really want to do any falsies right now with this makeup look, with any kind of makeup look. I really want to keep it as natural as possible. I know that this makeup look doesn't scream natural. It screams like... it just screams. I have some Estee Lauder lipstick. This is Pure Color Envy Matte lipstick, 113 113 raw edge. This is really pricey. And a little bit of my NYX setting spray. And that is it, guys. I guess this concludes my get ready with me. I am so happy. If you want me to recreate some kind of like more natural makeup look, then let me know in the comments. I will be really glad to do this for you guys. These are my favorite products that I showed you. So if you like this video, then please let me know in the comments, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.